boy Wonder.
Yeah, man, how you doing? You good? I know you like that. I know you like that. How long you been back?
What up, Snackies? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So y'all, I come before you guys today with some hot Cheeto covered French fries. So y'all, without further ado, let's snack. So y'all should already know where I got this idea from. Tasha from Steph and Tasha was eating this. Let me see if I can slide this over a little bit so y'all can see the cheese. This past week, and well, last week, and I was like, yes, I got to. So I got seasoned fries from Walmart, and coated them. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So on my loaded fries, y'all, I have Italian cheese, Italian blend cheese, so it's more than one type of cheese, lettuce, tomato, sour cream, diced jalapeno peppers, bacon, some crushed up bacon, and that's it. And then I'm dipping it in some of this cheese, like the wet cheese, you know. But y'all, this is good. Let me load one up. I had already tasted a fry as soon as they came out the oven. I did not do this in my air fryer because my air fryer is not big enough for all of these French fries. Y'all, I hope that was oh my goodness. I hope that cleared up for y'all. So like I was saying, I didn't do this in my air fryer because my air fryer is a 3-quart, I think. It's a little small thing. I didn't realize it was that small when I had bought it. Lots of tomato. It's right here on the dicing board. We about to eat it. I love tomatoes. So, for those of you who do not, oh, look at this big boy. For those of you who do not have an air fryer, you still can make this. Let me get some of these jalapenos, tomatoes. Oh yeah. Did it focus? I did cook these as for the suggested time that was on the package, but I cooked them at 400 degrees. Y'all know how to make French fries in the oven. Well, I'm trying to tell y'all how to make some French fries in the oven for. Y'all got this covered. The only thing, oh, and I seasoned my batter. Go sit down, beauty. I seasoned my hot Cheeto batter. And I seasoned my egg wash with Chef Tina Lee. Toss them. Seasoning. Because that's what we do in this household, okay? Got my snacky back. I mean, my What Up Snackies cup today. Got my watermelon Waterloo. I hope that one got on the thing because last time it did. I just had some bacon. And that's hickory smoked bacon. No, applewood. Ooh. That was a little small fry. No worry. I got y'all covered with a big one. Y'all, ain't it good? I told you. Tasha, thank you. Thank you. Get a little bit of that lettuce with that bacon on it. So y'all, it's been placed on my heart to really talk about self-care with y'all. Whatever your definition of self-care is, I'm gonna need for you to start doing it more often. There's so much evil out there in the world, so much negativity. You got to put you first. I didn't say you got to be selfish and put you first all the time, but you have to be a priority. Self-care is a priority. Even when it comes to not just your mental, but your self-esteem, your confidence. Self-care. Imagine how you feel when you pretty yourself up with whatever you consider pretty, okay? Not what other people consider pretty, what you consider pretty. When you do those things that make you feel beautiful. Can't nobody take that from you. You be feeling yourself. You in a good mood. Like, can't nobody body shame you. You be like, whatever, I know I look good. Flaws and all. Because y'all know it's miserable people out here in this world. There's a lot of perpetrators out here in this world too. But don't let them people get to you. Don't let them people body shame you. Don't let them people make you feel bad about who you are. That's what we not doing. No sir, no ma'am. Yeah. Tasha outdid herself. I knew it was gonna be good. Cause why would loaded fries not be good? Regular loaded fries is good. So of course, when you add the hot Cheetos to it, it's gonna be bussin'. Hey. Oh my gosh. Y'all gotta try this. Fat. Y'all know I don't mind licking my fingers. Oh, y'all wanna know how I did it? Okay, so you know how normally, you know how Tosh Point Fro has the video out on how to do hot Cheeto fried pickles? I basically used her her same method, but instead of using the flour, these potatoes are already starch, so anything you put on them is gonna coat, you know. So instead of using flour as the base to coat them, I just used the egg wash. Excuse me. I just used the egg wash. Put the fries in the egg wash. Make sure it was all good and coated. And I didn't do one fry by one fry. No. I had one bowl. With my fresh hot Cheetos. And then I had one bowl with the egg wash. Huge bowls. And I put like a good, maybe like a cup and a half of the fries in the egg wash. Make sure, use my tongs, coated them, mixed them all up, and then I picked them all out, throw them inside the hot Cheeto dust, put the lid on top of that bowl, and shook it up real good, and it was coated. And I put them on my baking sheet. Pop them boys in the oven. I already had the oven preheated for 400 degrees. While I was doing that, I made Mr. Snack some eggs and cheese and rice and toast. Served him his lunch, brunch, whatever you want to call it. It was after morning. It was early, like 12 o'clock when I started. Y'all, I'm full. Well, this piece of bacon calling my name. So y'all, and I just put them in the oven for the time that the frozen fries say. Y'all, and that was it. Voila. Loaded these bad boys up with everything that I like, and you good to go. Okay, but y'all already know what's gonna come, right? If you made it to the end, you already know how I feel. How do I feel, Snackies? How do I feel? What are you? Hey, you sure right. You're MVP. Hey, you're MVP. Hey, you're MVP. Hey, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all try this it's not recipe. Try the hot Cheeto fries. They bomb. You're gonna love them. And y'all, take care of yourself. Self-care is the best care. Okay, whatever that means to you, do it, and do it often. At least minimally once a week. You hear me? I love you guys, and until the next video, peace, peace, peace.